Hello, I want to try something different with you all. I want to give you some letter sounds, and then you have to match it using our letter tile that you should have received. It were two papers. Now, you can either cut out the letters and have your student place the loose letter on top of the letter once they hear the sounds, or you can have that student point to the letter. All right, so let's begin. I'm only going to give 5 sounds, only 5 sounds. Okay, all right. Our first letter sound is ah. First sound ah. Second sound eh. Second sound eh. Third sound eh. Third sound it. Fourth sound at. Fourth sound at. Fifth sound Fifth sound Okay, now it's your turn to match those sounds to your letter grid or letter tile. Good luck.